everyone, and welcome to Midway Chevrolet. Behind me, we have a small in size but big on safety 2019 Chevy Spark. And if you're looking for an adventure and want to stay connected, save gas, and turn heads at the same time, this is the car for you.
Comes standard with rear vision camera, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. Available push start and keyless entry. Steering wheel tilt. Spark is ready to keep you charged up and on the go with an available 4G LTE Wi-Fi, 2 USB ports, and seamless connectivity with the available Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system. Comes standard with cruise control, steering wheel controls, air filtration system, seats, front high back bucket with adjustable head restraint, and rear cargo compartment lamp and security shelf.
This Spark may be small, but with 10 standard airbags, a high-strength steel safety cage, and available advanced active safety features, it can help you stay safe on your next big adventure. So come see us at Midway Chevrolet and take our new 2019 Chevy Sparks for a test drive today.